and in this video I'll show you how to convert digits into words. You can see on the screen that I have mentioned so many digits here, and you can see there is 584, 4534, 5474. There is a value in third column. You can see 5646. So in these, like, basically what is it, it is written in first column, that is digit column. You can see I have mentioned here 584, and in second column it is mentioned 45,345,474, right? So like there are so many, like that number can be small or bigger, that can be anything, like that can be that. You can see in this cell I have mentioned 10 only, so obviously whatever the digit you are mentioning here, you can convert those digits, those values into words. So let's see how to do it. I'm showing it to you. Let me delete it first. What I'll do is I'll type here is equal to number text, and I'll select the cell value. This is K3. So I can select it, or I can also type manually. So I did this, showing loading, and now you can see what is the value. It is 584. If I change the value, you can see this easily your words are changed. If I am mentioning here 98, you can see it easily.